Hi everyone, and welcome you back to this channel Technical Drawing Masterclass. Today we are going to look at circumscribing a hexagon. When you're being given the diameter of the circle that circumscribes the hexagon. So we start by drawing border lines. So we join these points. So when you're done, you make these lines thicker. So after that, we're going to draw a parallel line from one of the borders. Sorry. Okay. So you, after drawing that line, you also draw a perpendicular to bisect it. So where these two lines meet, it's the center of our circle. I remember our diameter is 100 millimeters. So come to your ruler and measure up 50 millimeters from your ruler, which is the radius. So we draw that circle. Okay. So now there is something to note here. There is something to note here. So if you look at this ruler, this set square here, this angle here is 30, but then if I tilt it like this angle is 60, and this one is 90. To circumscribe a hexagon, we are going to use this side with an angle of 60. So you draw a line touching the circumference of the circle. So you change it. Remember this angle is what? 60. So you also draw another line tangential to the circumference of the circle, right? So do the same thing this side. You draw a line tangential to the circumference of the circle. Then also change your set square. Okay, so come back to this line, the horizontal line that we first drew. Now first steps, and also draw that line. Okay, so when you're done, you find that these lines intersect at given points. Okay, so these points, we are going to name them. So I name this point A, B, C, D, E, and F. So I join these points, A to F, with a thick line. I do the same thing there. So this is the hexagon that we have been looking for. If you're required to circumscribe the hexagon, this is the right method you can go about it. So I just want to say thanks for watching and staying with me until the end of this video. Please support this channel. You can like, subscribe, and comment. We meet next time. I love you all.